So, hi everybody and welcome back. This is Unreal Engine 5 tutorial series, and yesterday Unreal Engine 5 official release. Now we have Unreal Engine 5, the full release, which means it is no more preview, and all what we create from now on we can ship and share and integrate all the marketplace assets. Here was one thing to note: there is a new section in the marketplace for UE5 at start, because we have here to distinguish a little bit about the versions. You can check here the site supported engines now 5.0, and till now I used 4.27, and that's why this place display, what is that? Oh, anyway, this playlist, what we use right now for this videos, change. I make a new playlist, and the playlist is called now Unreal Engine 5 Released. So from now on, I go there, add all the videos in there, and we create from scratch all things what we can, because now we can really ship also a game after we finished it. And during this series we will create a game, and we will try to use all the features of Unreal Engine. And don't forget, when you go here on Unreal Engine 5 and go to let's go to free. At starter we go all time to free, right? They also released this absolute city sample matrix awakened. Perhaps you know it. It's amazing, high quality assets, all free vehicles. And if you don't want to download all the full city, you can just download, for example, city sample buildings here, or just the city sample crowds, which means are the humans here, or the city sample vehicles, and so on. In free section you have anyway so much stuff which you can download, test on your machine, and get already an astonishing nice maps to work on. So that said, there is one more thing what I want to note fast. Here is this new starter game and Lyra, which comes with Unreal Engine 5, but careful, this one is really nice, absolute cool, but absolute starters could have a problem to understand this, because you need a little bit knowledge, not a little bit more, because they use all things already what Unreal Engine 5 provides, like, let's say, start from creating characters, widgets, and so on. And this kind of stuff we will learn during the course. But the nice thing about this one is you can have, like all the other ones too, download it and watch how they created it, so you can build it after them and learn while you build and rebuild all things what they build. That's nice. That's a nice way to learn too. And there is, I think that's cool. And with that said, the new playlist is Unreal Engine 5 released, and there we create now we create the production, what we are going to make. Yes, that's the new place. That's for this video, and see you in the next video where we go on with new Unreal Engine 5 series to create games. Bye so far.